Hi everyone. Cherry blossoms are in season now, which is so exciting. Lovely, beautiful pink flower. It's part of the tree, which is really cool, so we can make some awesome arrangements and make it real textural with a very delicate pink flower. So hopefully we'll be using that quite a bit, but it looks really nice just standing tall by itself. Today's market day, so we're doing a lot of prep work, so I won't show too much of that just because it can be a bit boring and tedious, but it's all part of the job. So we'll spend, what's the time now? 10 to about 2 o'clock just doing prep work for the shop, making sure the shop looks all full and looks really nice. Everything goes into a clean vase. We cut everything and we sort of leave a little bit of leaves just in case people want to buy a bunch, but usually we just strip them all off so it's pretty much naked and ready. So when we make arrangements, it's all easy and we don't have to double cut anything or trim it again. So that's how it goes. Good morning everyone, welcome to Friday. We've had a busy morning, which is sometimes it can be pretty hard with just one person, but we're slowly working through it. Just got a lot of pickups early, so let's hopefully get through this part and then get ready for the midday rush. going to make our first bouquet of the day. Got in nice and early, got a very early pickup, so let's hopefully get there.